two or more of those people can begin to use that common objective language, it makes those difficult conversations so much easier. I'll give an example where it's my mum who has advanced ovarian cancer, and she's a person who's she's a person who's always put herself last, and that's a tendency of hers, even at this really dire stage of her illness. And that doesn't make for really the best decision making when we have to have an honest conversation. But through the lens of the 5 voices, Mum and I can talk in ways, and especially myself, I can understand where she's coming from and temper my questioning sometimes that might be a little bit hard on her. I can look at her, she's a person who's very present oriented. Myself, I'm a thinker that I like to be living almost in the future slightly. And I need to build that bridge back so that she can feel safe in the decisions and the steps that need to be taken to get to where maybe I already am in my thinking. So there is so many examples of the characteristics of each of us and the rich beauty that all of us do bring as individuals. But until we frame it within this common objective language, it's very difficult to guess. And unfortunately, a lot of us spend most of our lives guessing that, and we trip up a lot along the way. This accelerates that process and makes for more harmony, more alignment, and better conversations and communication.